Okay, so this is just a quick little thing I wanted you to work on, graphing out some of these things using some a little bit of technology. So we talked about it before, and I know there's others out there, and this is something I want you to probably put in your computer. One is Wolfram Alpha. Now I don't pay for this one. You can do a service fee and suppose you get more options. I just kind of do the free piece of it. In terms of graphing some of the stuff out. One I want you to for sure get on your phone here is algebra. This one is great for graphing out three dimensionals. So put that one on your phone. Okay, this one here would be on your computer. And I know there's another one I talked about, I think, in class, but just in case you forgot, something for college is Chegg. Now I know there's others out there, but this is something that if you're going into something in the science field, math, physics, engineering, this will save a lot of time and frustration in terms of getting answers. It is it is $15 per month. I said I've been paying this for my two kids in college. They swear by it. So something to discuss with your parents. It comes on my Visa card every month, $15. I've been paying it for probably 5, 6 years now. I still got another year to go yet, but it kind of levels the playing field. I guarantee you, other people in the classroom will have something of this sort. You'll realize in college that some of these professors will give you problems that are very hard to figure out. This will at least help you be able to get the answers so you know that you're doing it right. So you got to have something. I know there's other things out there. I know I created one account and had both boys use it. They actually want each child to have a different account, which is $15 per child, which no way is that going to happen. So look at this. If you already have a sibling in college, they probably already have an account set up for something, another one maybe similar to it, or Chegg. But something you needed to discuss with your parents when you go off to college for next year. Okay. All right. So what I want you to do here is the free one, though, the GeoGebra, is I want you to graph these couple of these functions that say x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 4. Graph that one out. Graph out x squared, y squared minus z squared equals 4. Then do x squared plus y squared minus z squared equals 0. Then change that to, like, say, negative 4. What's another one? Try this one. So x squared plus y squared minus z equals 0. And then you could change this, to different numbers so you can see what happens. So change that to a positive and negative number. So you look at each option there. Likewise here, change this from a positive and negative, switch that around a little bit. And what other one? Oh, and then let's say x squared minus y minus z equals 0. So do those on your phone so you can take a look at them, see if you can get them in there. Those are the ones that you have to learn how to graph. Also, too, so you can look at different ways of entering functions in. Enter in z equals x sine of y. So you can see how to enter in a function of that form and take a look at it. And you can rotate it around. So put your finger on the screen and move it upside down around it, so you can look from all different viewpoints of it. So practice a little bit with your phone. Get that Wolfram Alpha on there. And I know someone else said there's another one out there that they were using. And then it said to have that discussion with your parents now versus September, when all of a sudden you're panicking a little bit and want to throw it out. It's sometimes a little bit too late. So have that conversation so you can do some research on that over the summer. All right, get those things graphed out. Take a look at how your phone works, and give you a little idea how these graphs works, especially when you get into Calc 4. This works awesome. So you have a visual of what's going on. That helps out a lot.